everybody. So today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to edit your video clips to music like you just saw in the intro. So the first thing you're gonna do is pick your clip. I'm just going to do this clip first since both clips are a little bit different. First thing, or second thing I guess, is take the audio off of that clip. You can either do it like that or click here and pull the audio down. Then you want to go to your audio up here and pick a song that has some really good beats in it. I really like using this little cookie too. I got it from the YouTube audio library. I really like this song. So you want to drag that down here. You have your clip and your audio. You're gonna want to make sure your audio has these really good beats like how this one does right here. I like to just go up here and move this bar all the way over here because it makes it much easier. This version I'm showing you right here is the easier version. The second version is a little bit harder, but it's still pretty easy. You're gonna want to find your first beat, which is right here, and you're going to put like your little line on there and just click. It will cut your clip right there when you push Command B. And then you want to find your next beat and then push Command B. And you're just going to continue this for the entirety of the clip that you are editing. Okay, so after you have, so then you're going to want to scroll to the very beginning. So your first one, you're going to leave alone. And then you're gonna click on your second one and then go up here to the cropping tool and click on the crop to fit. Then you're gonna go to this triangle thingy here and pull it up. And then I like to center it. You don't have to do that. You can move it to somewhere else. You can do whatever you want with that. And then you're gonna go back down here and skip one, so you're going to leave this normal. So you can tell that you just edited this one because there's a white box around it. So you're going to skip and then click on this one. Click on crop to fill and then do the same thing. And if you want them to be the same size, you can make them the same size. I personally don't. So then you're going to skip this one and then click on the next one. And you're just going to continue doing this until you have gotten through all of your cut up clips. After you've got that part done, then you're done. Now I'm going to show you the second way to make your clip move to music. So I'm just going to go to the My Media, click on my clip, drag it down here, take the volume off. I'm going to use the same song. And then this one is a bit harder, but it's not that it's actually hard. It's just hard to remember. The first thing you're gonna do is just click on your clip and split it like you normally would. To make like a jump effect so that it isn't just this smooth pan, to make it so that it goes from here to like here, you just click in a random spot and then delete that. So click on the beat, random spot, delete that. Click on the beat, random spot, delete that. Click on the beat, random spot, delete that. Okay, so I have everything I want. That is it for that 1. That is it for this video. If you have any questions, ask me in the comments down below. If there are any other iMovie videos you guys want me to do, then also let me know in the comments down below. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.